Welcome to XAX Auto, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, walkarounds, and everything you love about the world's most iconic and powerful vehicles. If you're passionate about luxury SUVs, off-road legends, and premium British engineering, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a detailed look at one of the most exciting and capable SUVs on the planet, the stunning new Land Rover Defender 110, presented here in a bold, sophisticated black finish that gives it serious James Bond-level presence. Let's start with the straight front view. Standing tall with an incredibly commanding and confident presence, the Land Rover Defender 110 immediately commands attention from every angle. This modern icon redefines what a true luxury off-roader should be in the 21st century. The bold front grille proudly displays the Defender lettering, while the signature Matrix LED headlights with their sharp, intelligent design deliver exceptional visibility and a premium, aggressive look. Notice the muscular bumper, the protective skid plate, the large air intakes, and the wide, planted stance that signals this vehicle is ready for anything. The sleek black exterior with contrasting details gives it that special edition appeal, refined yet rugged, luxurious yet unstoppable. Moving to the dynamic side front three-quarter view, the Defender 110 reveals its true character and impressive proportions. You can clearly see the raised ground clearance, the muscular wheel arches housing large alloy wheels, the signature side vents, and the strong geometric body lines that honor the Defender's legendary heritage while incorporating modern design elements. The floating roof, the sleek black paint that reflects light beautifully, and the overall balanced silhouette make this SUV stand out dramatically. Every detail, from the side steps to the door handles and aerodynamic features, is engineered for both everyday usability and serious adventure. From the straight back view, the Land Rover Defender 110 looks powerful, purposeful, and ready for action. The prominent Defender badging on the tailgate, the iconic externally mounted spare wheel, the bold LED taillights, and the wide rear stance create an intimidating yet elegant rear profile. Dual exhaust tips, a tough bumper, and excellent visibility from the rear glass emphasize its dual nature. A premium family hauler that can also tackle the toughest trails without hesitation. In the side-back three-quarter view, the Defender's design excellence truly shines. The continuous strong shoulder line flows gracefully into the rear, complemented by the floating roof design and distinctive lighting signature. This angle perfectly captures the balance of classic Defender DNA with contemporary sophistication. It looks equally at home in a luxury dealership or deep in the wilderness. From the top-down view, we get a complete appreciation of the Defender 110's commanding footprint. The extended wheelbase of the 110 model, the rectangular boxy shape that maximizes interior space, the strategic roof rails for mounting gear, and the optimized width for stability are all clearly visible. This bird's-eye perspective highlights why the Defender is considered one of the most versatile and capable SUVs ever built. Now, stepping inside the interior, this is where the Defender 110 truly impresses. The cabin masterfully blends rugged durability with high-end luxury. Premium leather upholstery, exposed metal details, sophisticated stitching, and an advanced digital dashboard create an environment that feels both tough and refined. The large touchscreen infotainment system, premium audio setup, comfortable and supportive seats, generous space for passengers, and thoughtful storage solutions make long journeys enjoyable. Whether you're heading out for an off-road expedition or a family road trip, the interior delivers comfort, technology, and practicality in perfect harmony. The new Land Rover Defender 110 is more than just a vehicle, it's a statement. With advanced all-wheel drive systems, multiple terrain response modes, exceptional off-road geometry, powerful engine options, and modern safety features, it continues the Defender legacy while embracing the future. This black edition gives it that exclusive, stealthy appeal that turns heads everywhere. So that was our comprehensive multi-angle walk-around of the impressive Land Rover Defender 110 here on XAX Auto. Now tell us in the comments, which car is your absolute favorite? Would you love to own this Defender 110? Or do you prefer another variant or color? Share your thoughts, suggestions for future videos, and let us know what you want to see next. If you enjoyed this detailed review, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to XAX Auto with notifications turned on so you never miss our latest content. We bring you fresh videos on supercars, luxury SUVs, electric vehicles, and automotive icons regularly. Thank you so much for watching. Stay passionate about cars, drive safe, and we'll see you in the next exciting episode.